Hey, what's up? Alright, let's get this. Gotta figure out this pathfinding code today. I think I got an idea what I can do. Pathfinding manager. There's a couple ways I could do it, but I think the simplest would just be to... Alright, I pass in this data. Have paths to calculate. Paths calculated. Did Q. And then Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. What's up, some guy in Window Girl? How's it going? So I calculate this path, and then I need a reference to, I need my thread and my mutex. Right. And then function ready. And how did I use these? Thread. Oh, I could just call that from Guess that's how that one works. So I have this, and I just need to create a new thread and a new mutex. Could I not just do that from here or something? Do I have to? Could I just do that? Then I'll just create it at startup, because I only need to create one. And then I just need to calculate the path, right? Function calculate path params. That will be a dictionary. Hey Red, how's it going? Anyone got some sick Christmas plans right now? Okay, so calculating the path, we just need to pass in, let's see, this will be path calculation thread. Start it with this, and we'll have our params equals, and we'll have start position, and then we'll have, actually, can I just pass in everything, I think? Mover, and then nav. I don't think I need to have a reference to the mover. I guess I'll pass in that data. That would be useful data. Spending this by yourself this year, nothing big planned. That's safe. It's a safe thing to do. What I do is I check, is it active also? Okay, and then how about there? Okay. This is the prologue of, whatchamacallit, Celeste. Wait, do I want to do that as a hash map, or do I want to do this? Oh, I know what I can do. Right. Yeah, okay, so first off, we will get a reference. Okay, so, right. So let's just work it out one step at a time. Pass in all this data to the path calculation start. Then when it gets here, some like, geez, what is going by? I just hear all these sirens right now. Okay, in here we're just gonna say params.nav. And that's a navigation node, right? Our navigation. And then we can say dot get simple path from params dot start position params dot end position, right? And then love your streams. Thanks, dude. Hey, San Jacobs. Am I okay? I just took like 3 days off earlier, actually. And yesterday had the grand finale to the D&D campaign I was in. I'm not the DM of it, but yeah. And then I'll be playing games later with friends. I mean, I'm not like overworking by any means right now. Taking it easy. I just want to work on the game, and it's fun to stream it. Let's see. So we get the path. So var path equals that. And then what I can do is paths calculated. Okay, that actually should just be. I'll just say list, right? A few. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm not like an overworker much. I tried a few times. One time I tried to do a daily video for a week straight, and I did one video, and I was like, "This is too much. I'm not doing this." Hey, Golden Evolution, how's it going? All right. So then I need to put paths calculated list, and that'll be dot append. Let's see. Calc data equals. Let's see. Mover. Let's see. Mover. Params dot mover, and then I need the path. Will just be the path, and then we just append that to this. Oh, and we will say mutex dot lock, and then unlock. Just got a new microphone for Christmas. Nice. I needed a microphone stand. I really want to start my cooking channel. D&D is dope. Have fun, man. Merry Christmas. Yeah, it is fun. There's a lot of work if you're a DM, though. I think my DM was burnt out. I'm really glad the campaign was over. I'm like working on setting up. I'm going to be DMing next, and I'm like, I just want to set up a simple sandbox, and then we can like swap out DMs if we want, you know? Just like each run one session things. Alright, so connect to pass, we lock it, and then we append that, and then we unlock it. And that's really all there is to it, I think. And then, oh, I guess we need a reference to the path. Dot call deferred. Oops. Wait to finish. Can you say hi, some guy? Yeah, I just did. Then we say, where is it? Here. Here. Do I need exit thread if this is a singleton or exit tree? I guess. I don't know if that's gonna break anything, but you're closing the game, so. Hey Leon Latch, how's it going? Oh yeah, I love Internet Shaquille. Funny how you can speak about D&D happenings as if they're real life memories. I know, right? Like, tell all these stories about it and stuff. Alright, so now I need to do, okay, so this is gonna append the path calculation data there, and then on itself it calls deferred, right? Just wait to finish, right? Have a great holiday. Thanks, and you too. Have a good day today. Hope you all have school or work off. Okay, I think that's all for that. I just need to check if this is active. Ms., are you bald? I'm getting male pattern baldness. Runs in half of the family, and I'm in the unlucky half. Let's see. So then I want to check if this is not active. Wait, what? If this is, oh, I see. If this is active, then return. Yeah, I started taking finasteride. We'll see if that does anything. It's pretty cheap and no side effects that I've had, so I don't mind. But yeah, we'll see if it works. I doubt I'd ever drop money on a transplant. That just seems like so ridiculous how expensive it is. Like, I could never justify that. When will I have kids? I don't know, hopefully in the next 5 years. Having kids seems fun. Raise them all to be game developers. Can you imagine? Let's see. So we're calculating this. If it's active, return. Next up, if let's see, if that's in the queue. If this is active, then we push the paths to calculate queue. We just dot append the, or no, not append. We do push front this. Let's see. This should go here. Params here. If the thread is active, then we do this. Then push front the new params. Otherwise, if it's, wait. Yeah, if it's active, we push the front. If it's not active, we start with dot pop back. There we go. Windows XP theme. Yeah, it does look cool. So I got it. Let's see. Okay, so mutex means it's like when you have two threads and you want to make sure that they don't collide, I guess, and like start writing data at on the same variable, which is bad because that can crash or something. I don't know. I'm not like a thread expert, but basically it just says when you lock it, then if another thread wants to lock it, then it has to wait till it gets locked, right? So it's just like, okay, I'm going to be setting path calculated list from here, and I'm going to be, setting this array to something new. So I lock it, and then when I'm done, I unlock it. And now over here, I'm also going to be using that, so I'll have to lock and unlock it. I don't know if it's a stack. You're not the most desirable male. I don't know. I know some ugly guys who have gotten married. So never give up hope. Let's see. So, okay, if it's active, we push this to the front. Otherwise, if it's not active, we start it again with the new path data. And then also what I want to do is send all the... I could just put this in here, right? So if paths calculated list dot size is greater than 0, then I could do mutex dot lock. Not calling my friends ugly. I'm just saying I've known people who weren't super attractive and who... That's... legendary. That's a pretty hostile way to put it, but it is true that people look for different things as they get older. At least in my experience, I've noticed that. Everyone who struggled in dating in their 20s and then in their 30s, they just met people who were way nicer. Something my mom always told me too. She was like, yeah, I was into weird guys when I was young. Oh, thanks to 100 bits, anonymous person. She was like, as soon as I got older, I just started looking at guys a lot differently. Started focusing on if they were nice or not. It's like, oh, okay, that's good to hear. It changes. Let's see. So we got path data, which is going to have the MVC. So I got path data dot mover dot, I want to like set new path, path data dot path, right? So that'll just go through this. Oh, yeah, okay. So I just go through and then I say paths calculated list equals blank there. And so this is going to be called by every single mover when they need a new path, and it'll keep calling it until they get a path set from here. And they just have a reference to it. Okay. Oh, and then what I need to do is when I push this to here, I need to do dot string mover equals whatever, right? And then I see paths calculated. This needs to get cleared once it's finished calculating it. How do I do that? Oh, what I do is if path data dot mover, get that ID from that, is in movers in queue, then remove. How do I remove it? What's the remove dictionary? Don't want to be 50 when your kid just left school. It doesn't sound very well. I mean, my parents had me in their 40s, and they're pretty cool. Like, I really like my parents. You don't need to worry about age that much. I don't think. Game looks like Quake with extra steps. Thanks, Weirdwina. Yeah, I've got a brother who's 10 years older. I want to convince him to get into streaming and stuff because I think he'd be really good at it. He's got some really good music he made like 10 years ago. He made some stuff a few years ago too. It's pretty cool. Okay, so how do you remove an element from a dictionary? Where is it? Erase. Here we go. Erase key. Okay, so I do movers in queue dot erase this. Equals this. And then if it's in there, erase it. Wait, do I even need to do an if? Oh, okay, I don't actually. I can just say that. There. Okay, so this will remove it from the hash map. Set the new path on it, okay. And I just need, I don't need any of you. Function set new path. Path array. Path equals path, and then path index equals 0. There we go. Right, there we go. And okay. Then I can go over here. I can say path finding manager dot get symbol path. Actually, that should be called something else, like, right? Calculate new path. Calculate new path. Our position. And then to the goal position. And then pass in our self and pass in the nav. Yes. Okay. So then that should work. It'll just say calculate new path, and then that'll take care of everything, right? Then I can get rid of this. Yeah, I don't need that. And I can get rid of that. And that. There. Oh, I made, yeah, I did make the Diablo inventory tutorial, yeah. No, my brother's like 35. What are your thoughts on GD script performance? I mean, if you run the profiler, literally never has the performance problem been with like my scripts. It's always been something, I guess that's handled by like C++ or like some shader stuff or something weird like that, right? Like the last one was instancing a bunch of physics project objects, but then I just put it in a pool and that fixed that. Decals was an issue, fixed most of it because it was making a separate material instance for each one. I fixed that. Yeah, I am 25. That's young. Doesn't it feel young when every other game developer on YouTube is like 19? Okay, and then let's go to the test world. Fingers crossed this doesn't burn away my hard drive. Voice gives it away. Does it always give it away? Because, I mean, not for me, but like I've known other people whose voice definitely does not give it away. Okay, let's see. You're 14, damn. My condolences. I hated being 14. Okay. Does he have a new path? Oh, I should put some print statements there, duh. Okay, so print new path set. Let's see, and then I can go to get rid of most of these. Do I need this? I don't think I need that. Don't need any of these. There. Okay, you were in Ukraine when you were 14, it wasn't so bad. Oh, nice. It's better than being 13, yeah. Just teenage years, very awkward. Oh, there's an error, that's what it is. Okay, hold up. Could not call function and value argument 0 to start thread. What? Wait, what? Wait, how does this work again? Thread, when you call start, instance object that runs method on object instance, an object instance with user data passed as an argument. Nothing except one argument the priority of thread can be changed by passing value from priority enum. So why is that invalid? Is it because this isn't an instance? That's weird. Maybe I could pass in the tree. Invalid argument. Because it's a singleton, so it's not passing in an instance. Nope, that still failed. Why is that failing? Could not call function calculate path to start that thread. Method not found. What? Start function. What? Oh, it's got to be on self, right? Yeah, because it's this one. But then it says argument 0 is invalid. What the hell? What? Why is this being dumb? You ever worked with Arduino? Yeah, for college stuff. Oh, it's still wrong. What the heck? Why can I not put a thread on a singleton? Invalid argument 0. What the heck does that mean? I hate threads, dude. Okay, let's see. And then oh, hold up. Hold up. Oh, I'm dumb. I was passing a null value there. I think. Yeah, so it's gotta be what I should do, if that is active, and or paths to calculate q dot size is greater than or equals 0. I guess I need to erase this. There. Wait, that's not right. Hang on. So what I need to do is if we get to here, all we need to do is just push it, right? That's all I need to do. Because it's only going to get here when it's a fresh path, right? So we push, okay, so if it gets through here, we just push that through. Oh, and this should go up here. This, if that and paths to calculate size is greater than 0. There. Run that first, so that way it'll keep getting pull requested by everything. What are channel alerts for? I'm not really sure. I guess you can highlight messages. Ever tried developing on Linux? Yeah, I used Linux for like 2 years. I just switched back like this summer. Got it today for Christmas, you're hooked. It is fun to mess with, yeah, there's some cool stuff. I was thinking about doing a video with it, I had an idea. What's up? Hey Linda boy, how's it going? Calculate new path. Okay, so if the path thread is not active, and our path to calculate Q is size is 0, that means it will start calculating a frame late, I guess, but okay, so I guess this should be here, right? There, we just check. I think that's the right order. So what it'll do is it will... Am I a lockdown type guy? You hang out with your homies no matter what? I mean, where I live, I only have like one friend right now. So, I mean, I have hung out with friends. I guess when I visited home, I hung out with friends, but I'm very careful because I don't want to spread stuff. I mean, here I only hang out with one friend. Not super careful, I guess. But I know them. They don't go out much. I'm not as concerned about getting it. I am very concerned about spreading it to other people, you know? So that's my main concern. Okay, so we're running this every frame. Calculate new path. I feel like I should just have a separate process thing. It'd be easier to read, right? Or something. I don't know. It says getting called every frame, so whatever. Okay, so here's what happens. It calls this, checks if the thread is active. I don't know. Let's see. Function update. Path thread. Right, and then this will just see if the thread is active. If the thread is non-active and the path to calculate Q is size is greater than 0, then we'll start it with a new one. There. If the path's calculated size is greater than 0, so that's the ones with completed calculations. There, okay. If the calculated size is greater than 0, then lock this. Okay. So we just update the path thread. There, okay. And then we do this, right? Oh, hold up, wait. Okay, yeah, because that gets a roost there. That's never set anywhere. So we just say path calc, thread call deferred, wait to finish once it's done calculating the thread. Could I do wait to finish? Could I like call deferred that? How does that work? If I do call deferred on something, on the object during idle time, pass with a comma separated list. Okay, I see. Okay, you recovered it from September, 1 week of no taste body. You can find out if you're, oh, that's good. It wasn't that bad for you. Let's see. Yeah, my friend got it and was like, she didn't get it that bad, but her roommate got it pretty bad. And she still has trouble like walking just from her lungs. She's like my age, so it's like, it's kind of scary. Okay, so it calls this, it just pulls this every frame. Say update path thread, and then I should put like a reset on here. Function reset pathfinding. Reset pathfinding. So that'll say pathfinding calc, wait to finish. Wait for that to finish, and then set path. What is it? Paths. Calculated list equals this. Paths to calculate Q equals this. There. Okay. Calculate the path. Blah blah blah. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Wait for the thread to finish. And then we reset all that. And then I can put that in save manager, I believe. Go down to clear all before load, right? It's a path finding manager dot reset pathfinding, right? There we go. So that'll clear that queue on a scene change. I think that's good. Let's try that again. There we go. Keeps calling. Oops, hang on. I just died. Why does it keep running this? It shouldn't be needing a new path. Why does it keep running? Is that person on patrol or something? Oh, come on. Stop not dodging that. Alright, can it reach me? Yes, it can. But the real question is, why does it keep calling for a new path? Whoops. Okay, there we go. And then the game crashed. Damn it. Set new path. Update path thread. Come on, I called reset. Why did that not update? It's supposed to do this, so it's doing update here. Obviously that's happening before this, right? This reset gets called by the save manager, which sets these lists to be 0. Oh, and movers in queue should be 0 also. There. The problem now is I'm putting all the pathfinding on one separate thread. That's what I'm working on. Because before I had every character mover use a thread for their pathfinding, and that was crashing the game if there was too many characters. So now I just have it on one thread, and that's what I'm working on. So now it's freezing if I change the scene, and I'm also wondering why it's printing so much, because it should only be calculating the path once, right? So like if this is in the movers in queue, right? Return, but it's not. So it's coming down here, and it's saying store a reference to this in there, so it's a hash map, so it should be quick. And then update this, so it says the path thread is not active, size is greater than 0 of paths to calculate. Then we can just pop that off one end and run the calculate thread stuff. Then we get on with this, so we just check if there's more than a 0 in this list, then lock, go through here, then unlock, right? And here it's saying the path calculation is done. Problem is, why did it keep asking for a new path? I don't understand. Paths to calculate. Print this. But why is it so huge? Why does everything want a path? Why does everything want a path? What if I did that dot size? Oops, there. Yeah, why are they all walking around? That's so weird. They just keep asking for a new path. Every frame it keeps going up. It's never like completing it. Right, okay, so there's 6 units in the scene. So the problem is that they keep asking for new paths for some reason. I don't know why they're doing that. Let's see. Comment you out. Set new path. Comment you out. Why do we need a new path here? Print this. Why does that never get updated? Oh, hang on, that never gets updated. Right, okay. Last goal position should equal our current goal. Where is that set? Goal position. We just get a reference to that. There. Okay, that's why I kept requesting a new path. Let's see. Last goal equals current goal position. There. Okay, that was one thing, but then why was it trying to do other stuff? Oh, now they're still going. What? Why are they still going? They should have been set. I need to test this with just like one unit. Oh, that would be so annoying though. I don't want to delete all these guys right now. Wish I could just disable like 5 of these or something. Why is it still saying that? Okay, I guess I should just delete them. This is a test scene, so Okay, why do you keep not updating properly? Okay, so it's saying its start and its last goal position are 73 units apart. And then goal position. Distance between them. Why does that never change? Okay. Print goal position and last goal position, right? This should be set to that, right? Last goal is equal to current goal. Yep, okay, so let's see what's going on here. Why is that 0? Last goal is 0. Why does that never get updated? What the hell? Where is that set anywhere? Just there. Okay, hold up. It should be set, right? New path set. It says right there, it's just. Last goal. Hey Alex, how's it going? Okay, hold up. It's set to 0. What? Why is it set to 0? What? Okay. Last goal position is set to 0. And that says distance from our broom, right? And then we're printing our goal position and our last goal position. What? What? Print goal position is goal position, right? What? Hang on. Pathfinding stuff, yeah. You watched the sad movie? Cool. Last goal is set to this. Goal position is that. What? Why is that? What? What the heck? Okay. This is set right here. Okay, get rid of these prints. Get rid of that. Okay, so the goal position is this. Right. That. Goal position is that. Last goal position is that. This is a free engine. It's browsing science technology stream. Yeah, I did make the game where you control the gun. You follow my YouTube channel. So last goal position is that, right? And then it's, okay, and then print current goal position, right? That's where I set it, just so I have a reference, right? And then I say, okay, that's not set anywhere else, right? And then here, we're saying set new path, there. What on earth is this? I don't think you're subbed, but you're going to. Cool, thanks. What is going on? So, move to point, last goal position was set to this. Goal position is this, goal position is, wait, what? Last goal position, hang on. No, I don't set this anywhere, right? Okay, it is this. Last goal position is this, okay. What? It says right here that current goal position is this, and then on the next frame it's set to 0 somehow. That's never set anywhere though, what? Okay, it's only set right there. That's the only place it gets set. What the fuck? And then what is, right? Yeah, that's just 0 there. Why is that 0 there? What? That's so confusing. Current goal position is this, right? And it never gets changed, right? It's set to this. And then here it gets set to something else. I'm so lost. Why would that be different? Last goal position. Okay, you know what? I'll just say path dot size -1. All right. Let's just do. I have no idea why that is doing that. It's so strange. This game is this game in early access? Okay, there we go. Should be. Now they're working properly. Okay. Why was that overwriting current goal position? How was that even possible? That's so weird. And that is so confusing. Man. Like, oh, duh, it's because I set it as a var in there. I didn't set it out. I made a separate var in there. Okay, that's why. That was stupid. Hang on. Actually, I should have it out here. Why can't things just be like Python? We don't have to write var. That would never have happened. There. Okay, now it should be fine. What a dumb error. Dumb mistake. Okay, so there, now it's fine. Okay. Now I need to put in another enemy to test on. So, put you there. And the gun game is already fully released. This one is not in early access. Shake off docile. Let's go to. I wish I could. I should have an invulnerable setting on this for debugging. Let's see. Var invulnerable equals false. And then we go to my damage script. And we just say if invulnerable return. And then I can just have this one be invulnerable. There we go. Perfect for testing. What are the boss fights gonna look like? Probably start working on those in a few days, maybe. Soon, hopefully. Okay, what? What? Why did that hurt me? I enabled... Okay, there's gotta be somewhere else that it's... Do I have a hitbox on my character somewhere? Hitbox, I do. And this is connected to hitbox. Oh, it's connected to health manager. Okay. If invulnerable, then do not connect that. Oh, if we're not invulnerable. There. That is just gonna be for debug, right? But yeah, boss fights will probably be like big monsters and stuff. Okay, there we go. Is it gonna get close to me? Is it gonna pursue? Is it gonna work, basically? And how often is it recalculating? New thread. Okay. Zigzagging is on. Why is it running away from me? Okay, that's just the zigzag. Why is it staying so far? That is correct though, right? I think that's just the zigzag, right? Okay, what am I doing? Now I need to see if it's, how often is it getting a new path? That's the real question. Set new path. Print, set new path. Right? How often is it doing this? How often is it requesting a new path? So far, each. Okay. Okay, as long as I don't move. Okay. Every time I move 2 units, it gets a new path. Okay. Cool. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Nice. Okay, so that's working properly. Now I need to figure out why this didn't reset properly when I changed the scene. Let's see. If I load to another one, is it going to crash and burn? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. So why are you doing this, right? Because I said reset pathfinding, right? It's just saying that there is, right. Thread must exist to wait for its completion. Oh, okay. Well, let's just do this, right? There. Okay, and then, yeah, okay. I should probably have like a check. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Is that's gonna just come up like once in a occasionally thing? Okay, and load new scene. Is that gonna break anything? Yep, okay, good. Now I can find this error again. Set new path in null. There we go. So I said new path, move to point. Okay, so it called that, and then it said movers in queue. Oh, why is that size 12? Oh, I guess that, no, wait, that's weird. Oh, there's paths calculated. Paths 2 calculated at size 10. It just moved to, yeah, that's how many is in the scene, right? In null instance, what? How many times is it being called now? So, is this just the first one in that scene, or is it something else? It's updating this thread. Did this, wait for the thread to finish, right? And then it queues all this, right? This is weird, but I mean, I could just say if is instance valid path data mover, then do that, right? Right, oh. Test 5, there we go. It's gonna break. Okay, well that worked around it. But that bothers me that this isn't getting cleared properly. If paths to calculate q dot size equals 0, print at 0. Let's see what that does. Oh, I think I know why. It was because when I load into the scene, it deletes the chest was deleting all the nearby enemies. That's what it was. And then those enemies had sent in a path request. That's what it was. Okay. And so it was just going in and it was seeing, okay, if enemy, yeah, whatever. Sometimes enemies are deleted at beginning of load. There. Okay, there we go. I think that's everything. Let's go in and check out, have them cancel, because I'm just calling a queue free on it though is the thing, so I don't want to have to like write extra code for that. If I just put in a, you know, an is instance valid, then it should be fine, right? Okay, so let's see. Did I get it? Oh, I think I did. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should have loot chests use the randomizer based on their location as well, or something. Because right now, if I load a save file, no matter what chest I go to, it's always going to have the same item the first time, right? Okay, next up. What is it? That pixel bothers me. Alright, so that seemed to be working. I got no errors there. Let's see, where is this? This is that decal script. I don't need this. This is irrelevant. Calculate aim accuracy. Target position is never used. Calculate aim accuracy. Really? Huh. Oh yeah, because I just send in whether or not I have an line of sight to it. Yeah, I can just get rid of that. Let's see where that messes up. Give me the line. It's in NPC, right? Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, late aim accuracy. Don't need to pass that in. There we go. Hit effect object is never used. What is this in projectile? Oh right, yeah, I don't need that. Here. Hey, anime fan, what's up? Hey, Chuzin, how's it going? That, I feel like I'm missing something here. Final direction is never declared, is declared but never used. What is this? Wait, what is this? Predictive aiming. Oh my god. Oh, duh, hang on. Predictive direction. I'm just using this, right? Okay, so we're just using this. Direction to target. Predictive. Oh wow, that's dumb. I never even noticed I was doing that. Alright. Have I used Unity? I used it for 4 years, and then I switched to Godot like 3 years ago. Alright, so I declared that. Found direction equals direction to target. Wait. I don't want this. Hang on, what? This is wrong. What? This isn't right. Didn't I just write a bunch? Wait, why is this in here? This, I changed all of this. This is supposed to be completely different. Why is this? What? I changed all of this. I swear I rewrote this code. What is going on? There was a first angle and everything. When did that? What the hell? I definitely changed all that. This is... Did I back that up? Did I undo that somehow? I know I changed all of this. What? That is so weird. Check GitHub. That would have been not in the pathfinding. Not in there. It would have been under utility. There. Okay, that's not it. Utility. It'd be utility.gd. Oh, that's not in here. Did I not back that? Did I somehow undo all this? Yeah, let's just check the file itself. Hang on, what am I doing? That would be under utility. History. Last commit 7 days ago. What? Did I? I rewrote all this on stream, I swear. What on earth? When did I do that? When did I not? Okay. Okay, I have to rewrite this then. First angle is that. Did I somehow undo that? If equals 0, then first angle equals angle there. Let me just put that here. And then target future position. Target start position equals target position. And then we have maybe I like saved it, but then the pathfinding crashed or something when I was working on it the other day, and it like lost everything I wrote. Okay, target start position, first angle, there we go. Okay, so what I want to do now, get angle to hit point, right? Distance to target. Get angle to hit point, right? Oh wait, no, hang on. Time in air is that. Distance travel, final angle equals angle, right? Equals that, target future. And then predictive direction is just I rotate all these, right? Control D, there we go. Non-predictive direction should be, oh, where's right? Oh, right, yeah, I remember this, okay. So I do this, and I say y, no, n equals target start position minus projectile start position. Hey, Christmas, everyone. Christmas to you too, I also. And then we say this, and then we say non-predictive direction is first angle, and then we say, oh, I don't need to redefine that. First angle is that, y rotation, yep. And I don't need that. Final direction is non-predictive, interpolated to the predictive. There we go. There we go. That's what it was. And let's just save that. There we go. That was dumb. I don't know why that got lost. I thought the aiming was wrong. Also, the rate their accuracy increases, that needs to change because that's pretty bad. Let's see, aim, AI logic, what is it? Predictive aim logic. We go in here, I want their accuracy improvement speed, put up to 3. Oh, that was not the right button. I have no idea when this numlock is on with this keyboard. It keeps changing. Okay. Hey, hi Eric, how's it going? Merry Christmas. We just go 2-hour stream today, keep it easy. Got the pathfinding good. And fixing this bug, somehow it came up. Wait, was that blood decal there before I came here? Oh yeah, they're curving their shots faster now. I like that. Definitely makes that. Okay, yeah, that was better. It was a lot tougher. You can't go out in the open anymore. I mean, you can avoid enemies in the open, but it's hard to. You don't want to get stuck out there. It's gonna be a lot harder to avoid them. Oh, got in the way of my first shot. No. Damn. That would have been really cool. Yeah, I just increased the rate their accuracy increases right now. And that made them a lot tougher. It's like, it's hard finding the balance of like too hard and not good enough. Oh. That might be too hard. I guess I should drop it down. It was too easy at 0.15. It's kind of too hard. I mean, it's doable, but I should always err on the side of easy, right? Yeah, okay, let's drop it down 0.24, right? Like halfway between-ish. Kind of halfway between. Wait, that's the wrong scene. Will I set up multiplayer? No. Multiplayer, it's too out of scope. That's too out of scope. It would be cool, but no, it's too out of scope for this. Maybe if I make like a lot of money, right? I could like hire someone. Okay, still getting wrecked. Yeah, explosions have been improved a lot. People made some great suggestions with those, like on how to improve them, because they looked a lot worse before. Somebody suggested putting a smoke in and then also the fire spraying everywhere, which just, yeah, that was a very cool look. Damn, that was pretty good. With that, the aftermath. One problem with the decals, though, is that you drop them on it and it paints over. That's the weakness, but I don't know, whatever. I mean, it kind of is cool because, like, if you drop a gun there, it looks like it's covered in blood. Well, not there. Blood ones are a lot thinner, I guess. Oh, right, I just picked this up. Forgot. I need more sound effects for this now. I need to go harass my sound designer some more. What? They didn't notice that? I need to change the range on that for alerting. Damn. Oops. Well, the background music's just from Celeste, not from the game. And we need to put something cool here. I don't know what, though. Right? Like some special item or some boss or something would like be here. Whoops. Oh, that was bad. A little kill fuck can't fix. I also need to figure out what the hell's wrong with the normals on these. Because the lighting changes based on the rotation. It's really weird. Carcass of an alien you haven't met yet. How long am I working on this? It's been kind of just on and off for a year. I've been building my YouTube channel at the same time. It's something now that I'm taking it seriously. New enemy type would be cool, yeah. That's a good idea. That, man, just adding the explosion sound effects made it sound so much. Look at that. Huh. That explosion decal got glitched. Any gliding or surface mechanics? I was thinking about it. A lot of people suggested it, and it is a cool idea, but I just don't know. I'd have to research like how tribes did it, right? The skiing mechanic, and I'd also have to figure out a way to like introduce it. You know, definitely have to make the tutorial like start on a hill or something, right? Maybe at the end of the tutorial I put like a hill there or something. Oops. Dudes, those look really cool. It's just so satisfying to what else should I work on today? I guess I could do some debugging or bug fixing stuff. Let's see. What have I got? Make another enemy camp. And ooh, sand blowing in the air. That's doable. How would I do that? CS doesn't teach you that Counter-Strike? What do you mean count? Face on your game projects. Yeah, I do accidentally like spend like an hour or something just messing around. That's because it's fun, which is cool. Oh, I never did that. Putting blood decals on jibs. I need like small blood decals. Let's see. Jibs. No, jib. I mean, it wasn't too noticeable. I didn't really even notice. I don't know. That would place a lot of decals. And it would be kind of awkward, I feel like. I mean, I could do it. Just, let's try. Let's try. Physics process. Okay, so we bounce on collision. I want to, let's see, how do we do this? Health, no, it's in here. Health manager. And the blood decal, where, I'm not using that, am I? I use this. Let's see, if velocity, okay, D is velocity. Okay, so we just bounce, basically. On a bounce, then And let's see if velocity, yeah, let's do if velocity is greater than 1. We'll place this, we'll get a blood decal. And then if it does not equals null, how about? Then we'll say collision dot position and collision dot normal. And we can place it there. Scale amount, let's say 0.2 to 0.4 there. Let's try. Oh yeah, there you go. Problem is that it creates too many decals, so like they end up just spawning all over the place, right? And then it just hides all the other decals in the scene. If you have a low like decal limit. So I should have it, let's say 4. I'll just define a constant for that. Constant spawn blood decal speed equals 4.0. How about? And I just do that times that. There we go. Imagine Quake Live with fluid hook roam. I haven't played Quake Live. I don't know, I kind of missed a lot of the Quake era of stuff there. Okay, it's still placing it. Wow, that's... Even at velocity... What velocity is that? If the velocity... Okay, let's try higher. Let's like... Whoops. Massively increase that to like... 10, right? What happened with Linux? It's just... I was having a lot of weird little bugs that were annoying. Like... OBS Studio was not... like rendering the screen properly. It just constant like... There was a lot of annoying small stuff, and also there's a lot of games that, you know, can't run. That was one thing with the 4Devs videos. Why does it keep sending me back here? Was that everyone would usually make builds that only ran on Windows, and I don't know, there's just a lot of like software and stuff that only runs on Windows, and it was kind of annoying. So yeah, I just switched to Windows because it made my life easier. That was about it. That's cool. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's cool, I think. Problem is it does take up a lot of decals. But at this point I could probably, thanks to all the improvements I made, I could probably, you know, up the limit. Detach themselves from corpses and crawl at you. Oh, why did it reset that? Didn't save my... Let's see how this looks. Oh. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Yeah. That's better. So let's see if I can figure out why the lighting is wrong on the decals. That would be a good one to do. Let's see, not you. Decal... Oh, no, wait, what was it? On bounce. Hide crosshair on death. Oh, I could do that. Hang on, I gotta run to the bathroom. Oh, see you, Hyric. Have a good day. Have a good holiday. All right. Hide crosshair on death. Let's do that real quick. If I go to, oh right, yes, search. I was like, why is nothing showing up? Okay. Weapon manager. Wait. Hang on. Isn't that already happening? Wouldn't it disable the weapon? Hang on, let me see. I didn't even think about that. Here, someone's over here. Come in, shoot me. There. Oh, okay, yeah, there is a crosshair there. Player on death. Set state dead. Right, instance is a new weapon. Dot hide, okay. The weapon, okay, that's a dummy weapon, okay. Hide that, and then we also need to do, if instance valid weapon, sure dot current weapon, then sure dot current weapon, weapon dot disable, right? It's just disable, right? Let's see. Oh, I can go to the test world, make the player not invulnerable, and you not docile. Why is Twitch lagging so much? I don't know. Is it lagging for anyone else? Might be your fault. What? Oh, that's not a script. What is it? Set? Disabled? How? Why do I use so many different words for this, dude? Set inactive. Why didn't I just use disable and enable? See, I use it everywhere else. I use disable and enable everywhere else. Now I'm using set inactive. Like, all right, looks like it's all your fault, some guy. No one else is getting lag. Okay. Whoops, I just clicked off without realizing. It's not hiding it, what the hell? Okay, what? Set inactive says hide, and crosshair dot hide. Why did you not hide? Okay, hang on. I did set third person there. Maybe it's because, okay, it's probably being set active when I call set third person. Or something, I don't know. Nope, it's still there. I can still, I don't know how to tell actually. Why is it still showing a stupid freaking crosshair? Oh, maybe it's on the dropped weapon? No. No, it's definitely not on the dropped weapon. Yeah, so that's just my crosshair. Yeah. Why is it not? Why is it not setting this inactive? Print set inactive. Okay, well it's setting it, but it's just being stupid. So I'll just say get node crosshair dot hide. What is it called on? I can't remember if it's capitalized or not. It's not, okay. There. Okay, and then it's still showing it. What the hell? What? Why is it showing it on every? Which one of these is showing it? Okay, current dummy weapon. What if it's you? What if it's you that's showing it? It's current weapon and well, let's just try both. And let's see if that's one of them. Okay, I think it hit it. There we go. So let's try commenting that out. think the problem was that. Okay, so you have to do both. So random, okay. What if I said inactive? Oh, set inactive there. Okay, I think that did it. There we go. That was not there. There we go. Okay, so that crosses that off. Hide crosshair on death. Oh, and fixed pathfinding to be on one thread. There we go. What else do I want to do? I guess let's mess with the decals. I could go to my dedicated decal manager. Scene. How did I do the name Georgia? It was just me bastardizing names from India. Let's see. So this is the problem with this, right? These are my interpretation or my script basis, right? And the problem is if you rotate it, it changes the lighting. Why does it change the lighting, right? So what I need to do is I need to figure out why, I guess. So if I go to the script, it's something to do in lighting, right? Or is it something to do with normals? So I've tried a bunch of different styles of normals. See, all this code works. I know this stuff is all correct, right? Because this wouldn't be rendering properly if it wasn't correct. So that's all correct, but then it's setting of the normal, the tangent, and the binormal, which is wrong. Because that, for some reason, is dependent on the rotation of here. Let me check my messages. Because I don't know if Chase is on right now, but he was sending me some messages on this. How do I just open my messages only? This is annoying. So I've got this. Normal should be correct even with rotation. Yeah, so what was his script for that? Yeah, if you transform into world space, where is his script? Why isn't this loading? Twitter. Are the normal coordinates in global space? I thought they were. Well, let's see. These ones aren't, I guess. These are just, I don't know what that is in local or global or what. But I've tried multiplying by the world matrix in both directions, the decal. And I've tried doing it with just blanks in world, and I was messing with some other matrices. And it still gives the problem. What the hell, Twitter? Why do you not load messages? Okay, there we go. No, so I fixed that, but this here. The normal, okay, he did this. Will that fix it? I wonder if that'll fix it. I thought I tried this, but let's see. No, that didn't fix it. That's basically the same thing, right? Yeah, that is the same thing because that's just converting a world. See, this is in the world already. So if you multiply it again, it's just converting it back to local. So that shouldn't make a difference. I don't think. Right? Yeah, I mean, it didn't make a difference when I added it in. What is... How's it doing the lighting? There's a lighting code here. Camera matrix. Is the vertex transform thing on where everything is in global position that does new local global for you? What do you mean? Oh, the vertex transform thing on. It's got coal back. Why does it have coal back on? What the hell? Oh, right, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Depth test disable. Huh. Wait, what happened if I did coal disabled? Disabled. Oh, that really fucks with the lighting. Oh, I see. Yeah, that messes up. Okay, never mind. Gotta do coal back. What are the modes? Yeah. So normal should be in local space. Okay. Yeah, that was the one he did. The normals are this. Oh yeah. Maybe that's what he was showing. So with this code, the normals are the same. See? Which... Wait, is that right? Is that how it should look? That's how it should look, right? Okay. That normals... Okay, yeah, that is how it should look. So that means the normals are correct. If you convert, show the normals as the color. That must mean there's a bug with the lighting code, right? Let's see, light. So we do this. There's some stuff here. Gets the UV coordinates. And then if use normal map is true, perturb normal. What does that mean? If the normals are set to be the same upwards vector everywhere, changing based on a texture, I'm confused. Shouldn't they change based on their like rotation or something? Because that way, like the color shows the world direction, right, of the normal. And that's what it's showing here, that it's a world direction for the normal. It's got to be something funky with, what does perturb normal do anyways? But it's got to be something else because I'm not using normals on my decals. Hang on, let me just check that actually. Use normal map, that's off, okay. So I don't even care about that, I can just turn this off. Right? But then it still gets dark, right? Which isn't right. So that means it's somewhere else, it's not the normal map. Yeah, okay. It's not the normal map, it's something else. What the fuck? So... the orientation is affecting the lighting. Why? Normal equals normal, right? Normal light dot n dot l normalizes the camera matrix. Albedo diffuse light. If the normal is just up, right? Why is it? Yeah, it's only using the normal. I never use the binormal, right? I never use the tangent or the binormal. Maybe I'm using the wrong vector? Because it's using y. Maybe it needs to be 0 or z. Wait, what if I did this? Maybe that was it. Does it need to be negative? Because it is negative c. No, okay. Maybe that was it. Okay, binormal is 1 here. Oops. Oh, okay, undo here. Okay, I guess that was it. I don't know how I didn't catch that before. I thought I tried swapping them. Maybe I didn't try swapping this, I tried something else. Okay, well that was all it was. Okay, well that's done. Let's see, now it works with the regular normals, right? Yeah. Quad's default rotation is weird. Z positive is rotated in the scene. Yeah, what was confusing for me was that this one is using Z. That threw me off a few times in other places. Whereas that the up is Z right now. It's kind of using up as Z in some places. And then it's like a weird mix because then you use Y as up in like the 2D UV coordinates. Okay, well I guess that was all. Let's go back to here. Your script here. It's 1, and then it's 1. And let's go open up test world. There. See how it looks. If I just shoot a bunch. Oh, right. That guy's can kill me now. Okay. Docile. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All the blood is the same color. Nice. It is kind of weird getting scaled down like that. I feel like that should spawn a decal when you shoot it. You here, health manager, where do you spawn this? You use a raycast. I will use a raycast on the jib. Destroy. Damage, there we go. And spawn blood decal below. Doesn't matter, but just like the readability. Random horizontal offset, don't need that. Just need to go down. And we'll just do 3 units in case it's flying through the air when we shoot it. And we use U for scale amount. There. Yeah, it does change the pixel density. Then I'd have to add more, to account for that, I would have to add more decal settings in. There we go. Really does not make my speaker happy. Oh, because I shot with a shotgun, it spawned a whole bunch. Should only spawn once. Only spawn one. Our decal spawned, or let's see, dead equals false. If dead, return dead equals true. Maybe if there's a way I could have the shader like have a density setting or something. I guess it doesn't really matter. I'd still have to make a new. I'd have to make a new thing inside of the decal manager. Where is it? Decal manager, right? This. You need. I would have to make a small blood decal object, and then have a whole list for that, and basically just add more of these in for that. So that's a to-do, I guess. To-do small blood decals. Fixed lighting on decals. All right. What else? Maybe I should just work on that fork. I could do that. That would be good. I will fork the GitHub for decal code GitHub. Where is, how do I make a fork? It's been so long since I've done this. Code, clone, no. Branch. GitHub fork. How to fork a repo. Oh, next to watch and star. Oh, there we go, fork. Forking this. Okay, and then I need to clone. Was it clone? Git pull or git clone? I can't remember. No, it's just git pull, right? Git pull. Oh, it is clone. Whoops, oh, what did I just write? Oh, I already have decalco. Quit. There. Done, okay. And I can go in there. Let's open that. Oh, I should have copied it before I... So this is the current one on the fork. Now I need to put my script in. There's a GLES2 one. What? What's the difference? Let's see. Here. Float DFD. Huh. All right. Maybe even Boxing Day, whatever your time is. Yeah, Mary Mary Duckamole. Okay, so there's something different here. I'll have to just mess with that to make a working one of those. Okay. Now let's go and let's open. Imports. There. Okay, and I can have this on one screen. I just need to copy the shader. Where is it? Source shader. Wait, I don't have a GLES2 one on mine. Where the hell did that come from? That must be a recent addition. Yeah, 3 days ago they changed it. Yeah, they added a GLES 2 version. Making my job harder already. Okay. What did this do? Oh, I see. It just added. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got my version. Oh, thanks, yeah. Forgot I even sneezed. I was like, why is everyone saying bless you? Okay, so my version. Let's just double check against. Where do I write it? Let me write. This is the left was GLES 2, right? Or whatever. This will be mine. And then this is theirs. Let's see. Let's just check the different. The two files are identical. What? Did they? What? Uniform. What? How did I do that? Okay, hold up. This is theirs. This one. Wait, what? Did I just import the wrong thing or something? Where is my shader that I wrote? Oh, did I just store it locally? Okay, hang on. For non-fluent religious speakers, this will look like. Wait, what's religious stuff? Oh, bless you. Yeah. Okay, so this was actually just on this one. Here we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. There. So I just changed it. And making a 3D game. Have you not? Oh, you're new. Hey, what's up, Eva? Are you new here? You haven't seen my game? So I can clear out that. And that should be good, right? Point equals that. And then I just change it to passing that. How did they do XY there? I guess mine was flipped because of my calculation. Okay, well, let's put this on the new one. And that is the new shader, right? Okay, so now these should all use. Wait, what? This isn't the right scene. Hang on. This is my scene. What the hell? How do I keep ending up in the wrong ones? So confusing. Okay, this is the one I want. There. Get rid of you. Okay, give me the scene, the example scene. There we go. Okay, so these are all using my shader, right? So I check you, you have, oh, am I gonna have to go through and change the stupid material to have all the properties? I think so. Because I was using a script to assign them, right? Okay, wait, hang on, let me see. Let's see, is it really gonna be like that? Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah, it's not, because it's Sick. Okay, so I can just say, I think I could say this, this, this. Yeah, okay, cool. I can just remove the script on all of them. I don't need the script at all. Wait, hang on. Do you need it for this? Oh, that broke it. This was running. Why was this running? Clock. Why was it doing that? That's... You don't need to do that. Flip current frame. You could just do this in time. You don't need that. Okay, I don't need that. Yeah. Don't need you. Multi-lights. Oh, I see. Real-time shadows. Hey, just gaming, how's it go? You're gonna go again, alright. Alright, let's see. I bet I can get this to do a flipbook animation with just its... Why is this... What happened to this? Where is... Why is this one broken? Okay, I don't know what this was set to. Damn it. Textures, hex pattern. It should have been one of these, right? Flipbook. Yeah, but which flipbook? There's emissive and there's non-emissive. I don't remember which one this was. Flipbook animation. Yeah, I don't see a flipbook emissive. Oh well. I will... Maybe that was all maps or something that had that. That was probably what it was. Flipbook animation, put on albedo. You are right here. Albedo, flipbook, albedo. And then current, let's see, number of frames. Columns, right? Wait, does it have to be square? How does that work? It's interesting. Okay, so I put you on here. Number of columns is 3. Why is it not? I guess it doesn't update. What is the actual image supposed to look like? Kind of hard to tell. Is there a video example of this? No. Oh, I think it was emission on top of this, wasn't it? Then you do emission strength or something, right? Yeah, it is supposed to animate texture, and I broke it without recording what it was supposed to do. I could always make a copy and then open the other scene again. So let's see, this is not the one. This is mine. Oh, I can just reference these ones. Nice, okay. So that is the only flipbook one, right? All the others remain unchanged. Okay. So I put you over here, and I will see you were at... Albedo was that, albedo tint. Copy you. Emissive tint, that was white. Ah, there we go, okay. Whoa, what the hell? Oh wait, that's not right. That's 3, and it's supposed to be this. There we go. There. And then I say... Nice. Okay, so I need to loop current frame. That gets looped, right? Automatically. Yeah, okay. And in their script, did they loop it? Let's see where it shows clock. Is the sprite 3D node not enough for this purpose? No, because this is a decal that projects onto things. It doesn't only go onto flat surfaces. You're a hobbyist game dev and voice actor. What kind of stuff do you voice act? So let's see, this is current frame, is that? Does that just go up? Playback tape one shot. Oh, one shot. Well, I could include that in there. So let's do this in the shader. Uniform, flipbook columns count. Uniform bool, is it one shot equals false? Now where is this used? Columns count, current frame, frame index. It's like doing weirdo shit here. What I need to do is just current frame should be like time based, right? Current frame will be time. Can I convert to an int or something? Yeah. Frame equals time round time, right? Then frames, let's see, that. Let's see, int that equals that. And then I can get rid of current frame out here, right? Where is it? U. Round to int, is it? No. Maybe it's int, like that. Okay. And then I say down. Oh, I know what I could do. Int get current frame. Return that. There. Damn it. Oh, wait, I know. Time. Current time float, right? Oh wait, you don't write it like that in here. It's so annoying using a different language for this. There. There. Okay, there, current frame is equal to get current frame time. And then we go down to the next spot it needs. There. There, now it goes to that, okay. And then I could set like uniform float animation speed equals 1.0, right? And we multiply that times time. Flipbook shader would be used on stuff like monitors. Well, it could also be used for like an animated blood decal or something that like splashes on the ground, you know? Or just something that like swirls. If you have like an overlay of like a, I don't know, an aura or something on stuff. It's this. And then I could do animation speed, right? Double it, triple it, right? Cool. Okay, then I need to do a check for one shot, right? Let's see, int current frame equals that, okay. If one shot Did I define that? Can't remember. Yeah, I did define that. Expected error. Wait, what? How do you do if statements again? In curly brace language? You don't need that, right? If, oh, you do, okay. You have to put parentheses. That's so random. If it's a one shot, then current frame dot equals clamp frame 0 column count times flipbook columns count. There we go. Hey, I'm just setting up the fork for that decal shader so I can push all changes. So I just say one shot. Why isn't this working? Convert that to a frame. Oh wait, that's not giving me a one shot, obviously. Is there a time since this was instanced or something? Check the return. Oh, right, duh. Return this. Okay, but that. Yeah, it's just going to end there because time is the overall time. So I need to get the time since this was instanced or something. I don't know if that's on here. Ghetto shader time since instanced. Per instance shader. Oh, wait, that's 4.0. I don't care about that. So we got time, right? Sign of time, right? Float elapsed total time in seconds. There's no instance time, is there? I could pass it in custom data. Yeah, I could use instance custom for getting the time when it started or something. What is this? This information is usually phased during lifetime, 0 to 1. Yeah, it would have to be custom. Okay. Is there a way you could, like, on start? How do you set the custom parameter? Let's see. Set param material, and then I would set instant custom. Okay. Okay. Let's take that and animation frame. Oh, huh. Now I'll just use this current time instant custom here. Clamp this current frame, current time. Let's see. Current time minus. It would be current time minus instant. Okay, hang on. What would this be? Where are we doing this? Where are we passing in time? time minus instance. What is that? Why is this not anywhere in here? What? Where is it? Instance custom. Why can I not pass this in? Is this only in Vertex? Oh, come on. Really? You can't pass this in anywhere else. Okay, well, I guess I'll just use a varying. Varying float start time. I'll put that there. Okay. Stupid. Can I do that? Can I use that in here? Okay, maybe I can. There. Okay, cool. And then that'll be like 0 at start, but or I could do let's see, vertex start time. Oops. Set that from here. Start time equals instance custom dot x. How about? Right? And then I could do like time. What is float? Is that time in seconds? The time that the shader knows it's global only, you can have a play one-shot flipbook prop that you can set to true when the decal is spawned and the shader plays start to finish if that's true. Maybe the varying should be that one shot, and then it's so much cleaner if I do it like this with the global, but yeah, that's not going to give me the. Yeah, how about I just do current frame as a varying? Like, varying int current frame, right? And that equals 0. Can I start it as a 0? Oh, you cannot do integer as a varying. Okay, never mind. There is a one-shot uniform, but the thing is how do I start at the beginning, right? Like I can clamp it to stop at the end, but I need to have a way to pass in the start time, right? Hey Gmodder, I'm working on updating or improving a decal asset for the Godot engine that somebody else built, and I'm just improving right now. But what is up with that? Why do they cut off after a certain range? Very strange. Oh, I think they're Z fighting, right? Because they're really close to the mesh. So they start Z fighting at that range. Okay, so I need to get the start time. I can pass that in with instance custom data. Yeah, okay. Varying, we'll just set that as, no, I do not need to set that as a varying. I set that as, oh yeah, I do set that as a varying because that's coming from instance custom, which is there. Set from script or something. Let's see. Now, how do we set that? How do I set the instance custom? How do I set this? And how do I set that? You need is one shot and play one shot separately. But you can't just store a variable in a shader. Like a, you know, You can't just have like an integer value that counts up over time. I have to get it from the global time value. So let's see, just how do I set parameters and stuff again? I forget how to do this. Just set shader param, right? So if I did like a timer on this, could I do that? A timer that gets the current time, like, can I don't think I can set that exactly. Wait, what? Scene does not contain, yeah, that's fine. Like, can I attach it to, where are you? Here you are. Attach it to here and say, set shader param or something. No, wait. Shader param. You have an idea for that? Let's see, shoot. What is it? No, wait, that's not what it's called, is it? Set shader param. That's on, oh, right, I need to get the material. And then, okay, never mind. Let's just make a script. Set start time on decal. And this will go to source. Create. And then this will say get the current time, os.get ticks milliseconds divided by 1,000, and then we need to get thing you could rip off one of your arms and use it as a melee weapon. See, melee wouldn't work. Melee doesn't work in this game because the enemies are too good with their ranged weapons. Like, you wouldn't have a chance with melee. That's why I haven't included any melee weapons. I mean, it would be interesting. It would be cool if you rip off an arm and like fight and then you stick it back on when you're done. Like, that would be cool. But like, melee as a mechanic doesn't work. That's why I haven't included it. But thanks for the suggestion though. So I need to get set material. What is it? Material. No, what is it? Get material. What is this? Extends mesh extends. Extends. Why does it say extends? Oh wait, yeah, that's right. That's normal. How do I get the material on a mesh instance again? Material override, right? No. What is it set on here to? Oh, just material 0. Okay. And then this person wrote set material 0 to that, but I don't want that. I need to get the material. Let's see. Mesh instance. How do I get service material, right? Is that what I want? I guess. Get surface material 0. Okay, get that, and then var map equals that, and then we do, once we get that, we say get the material, and then it's shader material, set shader param, there we go. Parameter, and then the value, mat.set shader param, oh, instance custom, that's what I want. Instance custom to be the current time. Maybe I should just say that. For current time equals more readable. There we go. Can I do that? Oh wait, it's gotta be the instant custom Y though, right? Vect 3, that, and then I don't care what the rest are. There, right? Is that right? Is that gonna work? If I run this, will it crash? I need to put a camera in the scene. you up here, there, no, where are you? Here. Right there. And it worked. It worked. It ran once and then it stopped. But let's try instancing one. Like, can I instance one of you? Let's add a test script, right? How can I do that? Oh, I know. Let's see. I could call this init. And I could say like function ready pass, and I'll say, oh, hide, and then I'll say show, I'll add a timer, and I will say one shot auto start timeout after 1 second, connect to init, and then we'll run that. That didn't run it. That did not work. What was the current time? Print current time. What does that give me? Hey Trelexium, how's it going? Okay, so it passed in 1.97 is the current time. What? Why did it get 1.97? That's not right. It should have passed in 1 second. The timer's supposed to run after 1 second. Why does it take so long? That's weird. Weird. Okay. Well, let's set this to be like later on, right? Like 3 seconds, and see if it runs at all. Yeah, it just started at the end. That is incorrect then. Okay, so I am setting the shader parameter to instance custom. It'd be so nice if we could just like do a printout or something. Is it setting it correctly though? Because it's saying start time equals this, right? Equals instant custom.x. So I could set the albedo or something to the start time. Or I could just be setting the wrong material right now. Because I should be setting, what is this? This is material 0. Oh, it's not in material override. Okay, that's great. But then doesn't this have surface or something on it? Yeah, it has material tear. What if, I don't know, that's material 0. Is that right? Print mat. Let's see if it's actually getting something. Okay, so it's getting my shader material. I guess that's correct. Okay, it's getting this shader material. Can I get a name on it or something? Alright, so we're getting the shader material, and then we set the instant custom data instance. We're setting it to vector 3, it's got current time in there. How can I test you? I have current time, start time right here. And I'm subtracting. Maybe I'm using the wrong value. What is time is global time in seconds. So if I'm doing get ticks millisecond divided by 1,000, that should give me time in seconds, right? So I'm setting the shader parameter here to whatever the current time is, so that is 3.97. So it should be subtracting that, right? Like it should be doing that. Let's drop U back to 1 second. And let's go in here. I want to set the color of this material based on that. Am I using albedo anywhere? Albedo, okay. Can I tinty based on the current time? Like, how would this work? How would this work? If I want to test the current time out. Albedo equals that times current time, no wait, start time, that's what I want. Invalid arguments between sampler 2D and float. Oh right, because I'm sampling the texture. If I say this, all right, so that's gonna be 1 right now. Or it's gonna be black, which is 0. So it's multiplying everything by 0 right now. So it should be set to something higher, right? Should be set to like 1. All right, so now it's set to, what? Set to 2. Should have been set to 2. Why didn't it set to 2? It's never setting it to anything but 0. Why is that? Oh my god. Right, let's just set the color to that. And let's just set whatever the heck that is. And then we'll set what? Crap, the wrong key. There. Comment hue. Oh, that's not you do comments here. Set this to be color. Vector for color and then 1.0. Why aren't you working? Oh, wait, is that already, what? Oh, I see, that's, all right, RGB, that's the vector 3 and that's the vector 4. There we go. Okay. Set to 1.5, what is this? This is not right. It's not setting the instance custom data. I know it's not, it's definitely not. Start time, all right, so we set the custom data. This script has to be wrong, right? Set it to 1.0, right? That should be giving me red. Why is it giving me red? Why isn't it? So I must be setting this wrong. There's no way that's right. Godot set instance custom shader. Is there, how do you set shader parameter or something, right? Shader param. There. Instance custom. Multi-mesh set instance custom data. That's on, oh, that's on the multi-mesh though. How do we do that in a regular one? Is that only on multi-mesh? That's only on multi-mesh. Damn it. By adding the parents custom value at time. Right, but how? How do I set it on one thing? Why is there no examples? Get material, set shader param value, right? I'm getting the thing. I know I'm doing that. So like get material override, maybe that. Too many are, oh right, there. And it's null, right, yeah. So I do not have a override material. It's just getting the service material. Set this to 1. Why is that not setting it to anything? How do I actually set that? Set instance custom. How do you set that? Yeah, that literally has no effect. This is really dumb. Instance custom is only used by particles and multi-meshes. Certs, while it is a per instance variable that can only be set on multi. That's the stupidest fucking thing ever. That is so dumb. Why would you even include that if you can't use it except on one specific area? Alright, see you, Weird Mayo. How's it going? Have a good holiday. What's the point of even having that if you can't use it? Like, what? What's the point? That's really stupid. Okay. Well then. Why can't you? Should allow anything. The reason it can't be per is a per instance variable that can only. That's very dumb. That is very dumb. Shading language. Alright, well, it looks like you have to use a custom instance for this one. Yeah, you can't have a custom value. That's stupid. Right, well, how do I get... Is there a way, or do I just have to accept that for, guess you just have to make it custom every time. Okay, decal shader dot make unique or something, right? How do you make a... I've done this before. Make it unique. Go make shader unique. Let's see. Ah. Oh, I see. Here we go. Okay, so we do this. Well, that's stupid, but okay. Let's see. Get material, get service material 0, duplicate, set, okay, that, and then we set the material, right? Set material 0 to the material, right? That, then set the shader parameter, start time to this, right? Oh, should be set surface material. Yeah, I think that's right. Then if I go to the shader itself, I can just have that, right? then wherever the heck this was, get rid of you. Right. And have a uniform for that. Okay, so that's set to one shot. Now if I run this, let's see if it works. Oh, it worked. Cool. Let me see. Oh wait, no it didn't, because I had this set. No, I did have it set as a one shot. So it starts at red, it goes all the way through, and then it goes back to black. What? Hang on, that's not right. Oh, I see, it goes back to red. Yeah, that's not right. It should stop at, that's -1, right? There. And then no matter what time I start it at, it should work properly, right? Okay. I think that worked, right? 2, 3, or so. The first frame is a lot longer though. That's not good. Why is the first frame so much longer? Integer. Maybe I should be saying round. Round the time. And then, wait. Round. There. What if I did that? I don't think that made a difference. Can't really tell. Is that? Oh, that was animation speed. I don't care about that. Wait, that actually was probably better. I wanted to make this start sooner. There we go. Yeah, huh. I can't tell if that's working right or not. Whatever, I'm just gonna leave it here. And just get rid of that. Okay, that's good. That's all fine. Set by script. Should be good, should be good. Yeah, let's back this up. So let's see. And I don't need that, I don't think. Yeah, none of these are using that. And then, yeah, GLI is 2 shaders. All right, so let's back that up. Git bash. Git add star. Git commit -m. Whoops. Let's see. There. Removed. Need to have a separate instance of each decal. I don't know. Of each decal, yeah. Removed need for a script setting everything except on one-shot flip book decals. So each decal made, and so you don't need a script on them. There. And then how do I... Okay, so that's backed up. Now I can just push this to the fork, right? Here's mine, okay. Now how do I push my thing to the master, right? How do I pull request? No. What do I do? How do I do this? Do I make a pull request? Base. No. No. How do I push my code to theirs? Push my code. Yep, pull request. On theirs or on mine? On theirs, okay. Pull request. New pull request. And then I check my branch, I guess, right? Oh damn, I should have. Can I? There. This, find a branch, right? With this one? No. So I compare mine to the master, right? There isn't anything to what? What do you mean there isn't anything? I just made a push. Creating pull request from a fork. Okay, now we click pull request, click compare across forks. Ah, there we go. Base master, okay. Which is in the base branch dropdown, select the branch. Right? Wait, what? Base branch, they say? Base main, right? Yes, that. Why does that undo everything? Okay. And then, why doesn't it let me do mine? Master? No. What? Head repository. There, this one. There, okay, there we go. Create pull request. Ignore that. It should... okay, create pull request, yeah. There we go. All right. All right, so that's good for that. And I think I'm about done, so I'll just show off the game one last time. Oh, I do need to back up my code. Yeah, I'll back up that in a second. Okay, let's see. Anyone, wait, who is new here? Is it Eva? I don't know if they're still here. And Rusty, how's it going? When is the YouTube video scheduled? As soon as I finish it, I've been editing it. I got all the voiceover done, and then I just gotta finish compiling, and I got all the clips compiled, so I just need to put them together, right? That's the only thing, and that's gonna take a long time. So I'm just working on it. Hopefully the next couple of days it'll come out. Okay, I should have played that more carefully. Yeah, I can go for a heart. Wait, did I jib both of them? No, this guy's still alive. Let's, yeah, more body fat. Go for the regeneration route. And I can pick some more of that. Rusty, are you new here? Everything's meat. Oh no. Oh, I'm screwed. Oh, never mind. I messed up my shotgun. Nah, I'll keep this. Nice play, yeah. The close one. Can you play this? Yeah, if you back my Patreon, it's $5 a month, so you can play the demos. Otherwise, I'm hoping to have like a public demo out in a couple months. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in the bio if you want to get updates. That reminds me, I need to put a new update up on my Patreon now that I fixed the pathfindings. See if I can lure them over. Damn it. Yeah, I got one. Hope your GTX can run it. Well, I've got one, so it should be able to. Yeah, I could go for more tanky. Let's see. Take these out. Drop that in. There we go. More tanky setup. Let's see, yeah. 4 of these takes up the same space as that, but have less. Yeah, you got 10 less HP. I feel like I should make the gun a little more accurate now. The aiming's like gotten easier. Alright, let's back this up and let's upload the demos. Let's see, git bash. Let's see, made. Jibs. Place hood decals on bounce. Mid spear hide on death. Fix pathfinding to be on one thread. Fix lighting on decals. There we go. And let's project settings window. Let's see. Full screen it. Export. Let's see, where are my exports? And that'll go to 0.8. And then I will say export all, debug. You have line breaks when you commit if you end the lines with backslashes. Oh, okay. Feel like you joined 3/4 of the way through the project. I'm still only like 25% of the way in. But it has been kind of an on and off thing for a couple of years. I'm only now really like seriously focusing on it. Okay, so drop those. Okay, and now Patreon. Published. What was the last one? Demo 9. Can't wait to announce the official new name in the next video. Upload. What have I added? Jeez, what have I added since the last one? When was that? That was December 16th. So I check GitHub. I have added December 16th, improved bunch of performance, added, let's see, where's 16th? That was December 15th. Oh, okay, never mind. So 15th, yeah, I added a bunch of graphics props. That was fixing a bug. There's a bunch of bug fixing. Added more graphics improvements. Added new enemy area. Oh, okay, damn. Improved performance a ton. Yeah, okay. Added more sound effects. New enemy camp. Added decals. Added sound effects. Improved performance a ton. A bunch of tweaks and bug fixes. Oh, did I mute? No, I didn't have anything muted. Okay, good. Was that all? Improved effects. I don't know. VFX a ton. All right, let's see. Let's publish that. Okay, so that's everything for that. Got the new, all right, did anyone comment on the last one? I was like, let me know if it's too hard. No one commented. Why are you all backing me if you don't even play them? It's like, okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get off. I'm getting pretty hungry and stuff, so I'm gonna find someone to raid, I guess. Let's find someone to raid. Who is anyone making games? I should have searched for that. Okay, game development. See you, Red. Let's make a game. Yeah, like no one's on. Who do I wanna? I don't know. This person. This person who's making games here. Oh, that's an ad. That's an ad. How do people get... Oh, doesn't Twitch just put ads on every stream now or something? Stream, Unreal, Twitter, what are you making? Okay, mixed textures. That looks nice, but what game are you making? What about that? What are they making? Maybe. Oh. There's no clear gameplay. Oh, they're making an FPS. Who should I host? Or raid or whatever. They're making an FPS. I don't know what they're making. Some FPS also. They're both using Unreal too. Alright, let's flip a coin. Oh wait, I didn't call it. Wait, heads for the left one. Okay, alright, looks like I'm rating them. Okay. Alright, I'll see you all, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. I'll probably do a short stream tomorrow or something for Christmas.
Is another sea-like language for gooey stuff.
Alright, have a good night, everyone.